Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make quinoa khichdi in an instant pot. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of quinoa and 1/4 cup of split yellow lentils. Also, have 1 tablespoon of ghee or oil ready, along with a 1/2 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Don't forget to chop 1 small onion, 1 tomato, and 1 green chili. These fresh components are key to a flavorful dish. Now, let's get to the preparation. Begin by rinsing your quinoa and lentils thoroughly under cold water until the water runs clear. Next, add 1 tablespoon of ghee or oil to your instant pot and select the sauté setting. Once hot, add the cumin seeds and let them splutter. Then, add your chopped onion, tomato, and green chili, sautéing for about 2 minutes until softened. It's time to cook. Add the rinsed quinoa and lentils to the instant pot with the sautéed aromatics. Pour in 3 cups of water and stir everything together. Secure the lid, ensure the vent is sealed, and set your instant pot to pressure cook on high for 8 minutes. Once cooking is complete, allow a natural pressure release for 5 minutes before performing a quick release. Your delicious quinoa khichdi is ready. Carefully open the lid and give it a gentle stir. Garnish with fresh cilantro and a squeeze of lime juice for extra flavor. Serve it hot, perhaps with a side of yogurt or your favorite pickle for a truly satisfying and wholesome meal. Remember, life's too short for cheap socks. Check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.